I don't have cash, I don't have fans, but everyone is unique. I have watched a bunch of Samuel and Colin and editing podcasts. And I have 3 years of self-taught learning 3D. One point particular I like about Mrbeast is his ability to give and give. And that's what I want to learn. So how, you may ask, how do I give? I have literally empty over here. This is Maxi. I found him online and he has a game dev YouTube channel with 4K subscribers, and coincidentally, his birthday is around the corner. So in this video, I'll be giving him 3 stuff: a custom model, an animation of his superpower that he won, and also a birthday video from his community. So let's get right to it! Do you know that Iron Man, Captain America, Shield, Spider-Man, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, Blue Beetle, and Super Mario have in common is that they are all 3D. So how do you create this? You draw them? No! You need a 3D program, and I am using Blender, which is an open software virtually capable of handling everything in 3D. So how do you make character like this? Thinking and concept design. By gathering information of him, we can consider his appearance. Then I created a blockout. I stared at it, completely lost on how to improve it. So I texted my friend for help. He replied with a set of drawings. Thanks to Captain KT for the rescue. After concept design, we have creation. 3D modeling is like playing with clay to make such an organic creature such as human or animal, but in the computer. Once the model is ready, we proceed with painting the character, which is texturing. In procedure texturing, it's a bit like giving your computer artistic instruction. You can tell it to change the color of an object, like making it red, blue, yellow, and even add effects like making it shiny or glow. To make it more interesting, it's like creating special rules and mathematical patterns for the computer to follow. These rules helps the computer generate intricate and detailed design, making objects look even more amazing, such as
Water, earth, fire, and air. Me gran gab yarns about the years of Greer.
Enough joking, now for some actual view.
That it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it.
So hello, as you can see here, in Blender, I have no clue how to make a fight scene. This is my first time making an animation. Yes, a legit animation by myself, with any no help or whatever. So how do I do it? Well, I don't know. I legit don't know a single thing.
3 weeks later.
So what I did is, by using bunch of reference in the internet and me, I made this. Next, the coolest part, VFX. So what is it? Explosion, beam, spin, wee. Yep, pretty fun. Is he thinking about having a conversation? Which should I use? I use pivot. And add in foresight. By using this move, I'll be able to anticipate his next verbal move. Aha! You have entered into my trap. I release foretelling. Back to the video. So after seeing my render and everything, I noticed something. My colors looks like trash. So I did it. I remade my environment. not believe this. It works. Sick. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Currently, I want to say some stuff. Okay. So currently we're having a bit of a problem. Not a bit, a lot of problem. It doesn't look as the way I wanted to. Doesn't look that great. It's not the best. And I really don't like it. Just not the best. And now I got a feeling of scrapping all of it. Yeah, so I don't know anymore. It's not the best, you know. Oh man, innovations are dying right now. It's actually not bad. Okay, let's just say this is actually okay. I'll fix all this trash thing, but other than that, it's actually okay. So let's get to work. Let's fix everything, revert back project, and continue from there. Alright, let's go. What if?
Oh, a chest. How nice. I wonder what's inside. Wait.
It was like 20 minutes ago that I stepped out of my comfort zone.
I have 7 more days to finish this. Let's go. So while me there is doing some editing, let's go and tag some people.
Am I recording? And yeah, I do remember. And I think I answered something with time, like time control. Dude, oh, that's me.
On my lonely floor, in my lonely room.
Oh. Message from the community. You ask other people to do stuff like that? Mate. This is...
Happy birthday to you.
No way.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Maxi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Maxi.
I didn't expect that. Like, didn't expect that at all. Like, when I watched the first seconds, I thought RJ would have spent an unreasonable amount of time, made a video for your channel, and you would like me to like give you feedback on it. Like, you just put it behind it or whatever. This is what I thought. But yeah, I did not. I'm shaking. I didn't see this coming, like, at all. I can't stop smiling.
After I gone through a bunch of days since August till December 2023, there is no reward, there is no satisfaction, but that is just presently. Currently, even right now, I can see it, but it's about investing myself for my craft and being sincere with it. I believe that anything you approach with sincerity and wholehearted passion ultimately will have a lasting impact on people's life. It's not about Mrbeast giving stuff, but it's about Mrbeast being so sincere with his craft, YouTube. I heard a quote from Dr. San Young-moon: utmost sincerity move heaven. And through that, I believe this video will blow up. If you'd like to have most of my assets on the video and that is free, you can support me in Buy Me a Coffee. I apologize, I kinda lied about this.